Hadiths about Ramadan. 1. The Prophet's peace be upon him statement about Ramadan. When Ramadan comes, the gates of paradise are opened, the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained. Sahih Bukhari. 2. The reward of fasting in Ramadan. Every action of the son of Adam is multiplied. A good deed, receiving a tenfold to 700-fold reward. Allah, the exalted and majestic, has said, except for fasting, which is for me and I will reward it. Sahih Muslim. 3. The importance of Laylat al-Qadr. Seek Laylat al-Qadr in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Sahih Bukhari. 4. The Prophet's peace be upon him advice about Ramadan. Whoever fasts Ramadan with faith and seeking reward, his past sins will be forgiven. Sahih Bukhari. 5. The Prophet's peace be upon him statement about the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a month whose beginning is mercy, whose middle is forgiveness, and whose end is freedom from the fire. May Allah bless us with a blessed and fruitful Ramadan.